I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to check your transaction history on OKX, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your OKX account. Start by opening the OKX app or website and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Assets section. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Select Transaction History. In the Assets section, look for the Transaction History option. Click on it to access a detailed list of all your transactions. Step 4. Filter your transactions. You can filter your transaction history by date, type, or status to find specific transactions more easily. Use the filter options available on the page. Step 5. Review your transaction details. Click on any transaction to see more details, such as the amount, date, and transaction ID. This can help you verify any trades or withdrawals you've made. Remember, if you don't see a transaction you expect, double-check the filter settings to ensure they cover the right date range. Happy trading!